I think this time you all feel lazy, but don't feel lazy. Get up early in the morning and do some yoga, exercise, whatever you want to do, but please do. Today I am going to tell you about warm up exercise. Warm up exercise is very necessary before you are going to any kind of exercise, yoga. A warm up is a gentle, slow exercise at the beginning of a workout. The aim of the general warm up is simply to elevate the heart rate and respiratory rate. This turn increases the body flow and helps with the transportation of oxygen and nutrition to the working muscles. What is warm up? Warm up is very good because a proper warm up can increase the blood flow to the working muscles, less injury and improved performance. Additional benefits of warming up include physiological and psychological preparation. Warm up are crucial because they get your muscles ready for activity. Without warming up, you not only risk injury, but you also get less uh, from from your workout. How many times you have gone for a run and felt heavy and slow? That's because your muscles spending that time trying to turn on. Warm up is even more important than stretching. The warm up should be longer than your stretching period. Warm up primes the pump, meaning that engorges the muscles with blood flow, which allows the muscles to function correctly. The blood flow brings oxygen into the muscles while it removes waste product from muscles construction. Start by light jogging and progress into your sports specific movement to get your muscles ready for your activity or your game. There is two types of benefit from warm up. First is physiological benefit and second is psychological benefit. Physiological benefit: better oxygen delivered to muscles tissues, improved muscles blood flow, increased speed to nerve conduction, reduction in likelihood of muscular injury, increased heart rate. And second is psychological benefit: control anxiety, focus mind, practice skill involved. So please do warm up before you are going to any kind of exercise or yoga, because it will help you to make your body more flexible and your practice timing extra.